Guys,
Okay, Jones.
I've got my Dollar Tree tin here.
Yeah.
Baking spirits bright.
I am Haley Wilson, Miss Haley or Miss Wilson, and I do speech therapy.
Perfect. Here we are.
Hey, I'm Miss Chandler. I teach dyslexia therapy.
Ooh, look at that.
Hi, I'm Ms. Munoz. I teach pre-K.
That's my partner, you guys.
Hi, I'm Miss Johansson, and I'm the librarian.
Ew. So you already know she had to be in book club, guys.
Hi, I'm Miss Katie. I'm a speech therapist.
Perfect.
Hi, I'm Taylor Zamora. I'm second grade.
Hello. We have a blueberry white chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
We have a pecan pie cookie.
Okay.
And then peppermint pinwheels.
Oh, wow. Look at those pieces
I went a
of
little
peppermint.
hard this weekend.
She said anything for book club. Miss Johansson, what cookies did you bring?
I make cowboy cookies.
Look at how
I forgot
delicious
the
those
oatmeal.
look.
They're
Ooh.
still pretty good. Though.
They look very soft and chewy.
And pecan.
Cookies here. Oatmeal chocolate chip. Two classic flavors mixed together. We have some snickerdoodle over here. Some peppermint bark. I feel like I know what type of cookies these are, but like I don't know the name. Look at that. Guys,
Okay, Jones.
I've got my Dollar Tree tin here.
Yeah.
Baking spirits bright. Love a good pun. Let's get it. We're just gonna stack all the cookies right here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What are you getting there?
I think this was oatmeal chocolate chip. I want to say this might be a ginger snap.
Yeah, I think so.
And I'm going to get two of those because I love a good ginger snap. A peppermint pinwheel from Miss Katie. And I am going to take two of these because just even picking them up, those look soft. And the color looks fun. I'm going to get two of these as well. They made enough to share, okay? I'm not being greedy. I'm going to get this good one for Johansson right here. No peppermint bark. Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of pretzels. This is Youngie's here. Miss Sanders on the camera. These are her Russian Mexican cookies. So we're just gonna put about 3 or 4 in there. You know, good support. Don't want her hard work to go to waste.
No.
Get that in there.
They are yummy.
And then we're just gonna take a good old pack.
Okay.
Right there. I think my tin is more than enough. Ooh, put a Christmas movie on. All my calories in one sitting. How did you feel about the book?
I would say like a 7 out of 10.
Okay, what was your favorite part? Did you have a favorite scene?
Not really.
It was just...
It was a good book, but
Okay. Miss Johansson, how did we feel about the Christmas fix?
I liked it. I thought it was good. 3 out of 5. I like her books. They're very predictable, but fun and easy to read. And I liked the town. I thought the town was great.
Oh my gosh, yes, Mary, Connecticut. Yes. How on theme. Ladies and more, how did you feel about the Christmas fix?
I liked it. I liked Noah and Kat and how they were towards each other. But my favorite part was the bar scene where the boys were on one side and the girls were on the other side. And they were just kind of going back and forth, sending drinks. And she was real pissed at him. That was my favorite part.
I love that. Yeah. It is Grinch Day. Oh my gosh, they're twinsies. Look at that. We love teaching elementary. That's the end of December's book club. Catch us in January for 4th Wing.